Drawing the line. Understanding, draw the line at, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, draw the line at. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for mastering the English language, as they often pop up in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of draw the line at. The phrase, draw the line at, is an idiom in English. When someone says they draw the line at something, they mean they set a limit or boundary that they do not wish to cross. It's often used to express a point at which one stops or refuses to go beyond, especially because of moral or practical reasons. For example, if someone says, I draw the line at cheating, it means they refuse to cheat, considering it as crossing a moral boundary. This phrase is often about personal principles and can be used in various contexts, from everyday life to professional settings. Let's look at some examples to better understand how this phrase is used. 1. In a work context. I am willing to work late hours, but I draw the line at working on weekends. This implies that the person sets limits on working during weekends. 2. In personal preferences. I try to be open-minded about food, but I draw the line at eating insects. This shows a boundary in personal food preferences. 3. In relationships. I appreciate honest feedback, but I draw the line at personal insults. Here, the speaker tolerates honest opinions but not insults. These examples help in visualizing the practical application of the phrase in various situations. Understanding similar expressions can broaden your understanding and flexibility in using English. Some expressions similar to draw the line at include set a limit directly indicates establishing a boundary. Put my foot down emphasizes taking a strong or firm stance. That's where I draw the line, another variation of the same idiom. Knowing these can help you recognize and use variations in different conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, draw the line at. Remember, understanding idioms like this not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and you'll be using phrases like this naturally in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.